So by the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to use the Moomoo trading app like a pro. So basically, Moomoo is a broker that allows you to trade all the markets just in one app. Forex, US stocks, Hong Kong stocks, Singapore stocks, US stock options, futures, ETFs, and also REITs. And one of the good things that I like about this broker is that it is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. And to get regulated by MAS in Singapore, it is not easy. So let me show you how to use the app step by step, okay? So over here I have my watch list, and basically you can add all the stocks that you want to monitor, the index that you want to monitor, and also the currencies that you want to monitor. And then over here in the markets tab, you can hover between different asset classes such as Singapore stocks, REITs, and you can see all the sectors that are growing. And then you can go to the options tab as well if you trade options, and then to the US tab where you can look at the growing sectors in the US stock market as well as ETFs. And also there's a futures tab. And then if you like the emerging markets, then you can trade the Hong Kong stock market over here as well as the China index. But the main thing I want to share with you is that they recently launched Forex on Moomoo. And when you navigate to the Forex tab, then you can see all the Asia Pacific currencies, Europe, America, as well as all the other more exotic, less popular currencies. So if you have several currencies that you are monitoring or stocks you're monitoring, you can just go to the watch list and then press on the plus button. Then let's say you want to monitor dollar yen. Then just click on the plus button. Then you'll be able to see dollar yen on your watch list. And when you go to the trade tab, this is where you can open an account. And if you're in Singapore, you can use SingPass to just sign up really quick, very convenient. And if you're not, then you can register manually, which is pretty fast too. So once you've keyed in your details, you'll come to this page called confirm your information. Okay, so just click next, and then you need to provide your tax information. And then once you're done, click next again. After that, tell us more about you. Basically, you gotta fill in your employment status and then your financial information, and then read through the risk disclosure. After that, then click next. And then right after that, you'll come to this page where you can fund your account. And then once you're done, your application will be submitted, and then it's gonna take 1 to 3 days for your account to be approved. And then once your account is approved, then you can deposit your funds. So just press on deposit. So if you deposit using DDA, then the funds are going to reach your account in just 5 minutes. And if you want to fund by bank transfer, then it's also going to take like 5 minutes. But there might be fees, and it supports all banks. Or you can transfer with Wise, which is going to take 1 to 3 business days. And also there are fees involved, and this is suitable for those with non-Singapore banks. So in order to trade Forex, open a Forex trade, you need to go to Markets tab over here, then go to Forex column, then you need to go down to the tradable section over here. Let's say you want to trade euro dollar, then you press on euro dollar. Then you come across this page. So assuming you just want to trade Forex, okay, then you pick on leveraged Forex, then press next. Then you come across this risk disclosure, then make sure you agree with that, and then press next. Then your request will be submitted. But after that, you're not done yet. You need to go to the 3 dots on the top right hand corner, and then go to messages. Then under notifications, scroll all the way down, and then you see trading permission activated. Congrats, you can now trade leverage Forex. So once you've funded your account, now you can start trading, okay? So go to the currency you want to trade. Now you can see that there's an open close button right at the bottom, okay? So if you want to open a trade, just click on open, and then you'll come across this page. The first thing you see is open or close option. So if you want to open a new position, you press open, and if you want to square out an existing position, you click on close. Then after that, order type. Do you want a limit order, market order, a stop limit, or a stop? Then key in the price you want to enter at and the quantity of lots. Then after that, you can choose the time in force, whether you want day, GTC, or GTD. Then under TPSL, you can pick none, take profit, stop loss, or both. If you want to long the currency, then click buy to open. If you want to short the currency, click sell to open. So one of the good things about trading Forex with Moomoo is that it runs on a straight-through processing execution system. And also the minimum funding amount is only $50. And since the maximum leverage is only 1:20, that is enough for you to trade profitably. And of course, just like any other trading platform, you gain access to 24 hours trading as well as competitive spread with zero commissions. And also zero platform fees with ultra thin spreads on all major currency pairs such as Euro-Dollar, which can go as low as 0.6 pips, depending on the trading session that you are trading on, as well as the liquidity of that trading session. And when you deposit funds into Moomoo, your account is placed in a segregated account. So whatever happens to the company, knock on wood, your funds will still be safe. Another feature of the charting platform is that you can compare between different markets, especially if you conduct inter-market analysis. Okay, so again, go to the top right setting button, then click on comparison. Then you come to this screen. You need to pick the market you want to compare with. Let's say you want to compare Euro-Dollar with Dollar-Yen. So just press on Dollar-Yen. Underneath here, you can pick whether you want candlestick chart, bar chart or line chart. So for comparisons, I normally use line chart. Then just press compare, and then you would have the Dollar-Yen being overlaid on top of Euro-Dollar. And when you're at the chart, you can add indicators. You can see over here, you have VWAP, then MACD, okay, then RSI, then it's gonna add that for you really quick. But if you want other indicators, you can go to this settings button up here, this little setting button, then click on indicators. Then you see all the indicators that you can add, like moving average, so on and so forth. And also there's a social element of Moomoo, because when you go to a currency or any stock, you can look at what other people are talking about in real time. So for example, if you go to Euro-Dollar and then you go to comments, you will see that at this point in time, are people long Euro-Dollar or are people short Euro-Dollar, and where are their TP? But please don't use this as a trading signal, because you always need to do your own research. Another special thing about the Moomoo app is that if you like online shopping, then you kinda like this. So you need to go to Me, then go to Task Center, and then you realize that there are actually daily tasks that you can complete to accumulate points. And all these points, you can redeem it to get Moomoo merchandise. So once you have gotten enough Moomoo points, then you can redeem any of these figurines, then merchandise, then also you got medical masks, then you also got AirPods covers, and also commission cards. You can also earn points just from learning from this app. So let's say if I go to the Task Center, when you click on Learn to Invest, let's say you have this strategy video over here, then you just watch this video and then you'll be able to earn points. Moomoo has a 24-hour support, so if you have any questions or trouble, you can just contact the 24-hour support. So if you want to get a Moomoo account for yourself, I'll put links down in the description below. And with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.